Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an event on Facebook. So first, open your Facebook app and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then I want you to scroll down and tap on this events option right over here. And then here on events page, as you can see, if you want to create an event, you just tap on the plus icon at the top right of your screen. And then you can see you need to put some details about your event. So for example, here on event name, you just tap this one and create a name. For example, I will put this one. And then here on the start date and time, you can put the start date, for example, this one. And the time, for example, is 9 p.m. And then tap on set. Then tap on done. Here at the next option, is it in person or virtual? If you tap on in person, you can choose a location right here. Then if you tap on virtual, you can tap these message rooms. You can use Facebook Live, external link or other. So for this one, I want to tap on in person and tap this location. And here on who can see it, you need to tap this public and then tap on done. And you can see at the bottom, you can also put some details about your event or upcoming event right over here. Now at the bottom, you can see add co-host right here. So you can also add a co-host. So if you tap this one, so you can tap right here the co-host that you want on your event. So for example, this one. And then here on additional settings, you can see right here all the settings that can be used. Now you need to make sure to put an image on your event. So for example, I want to tap on gallery and you have an example image right here. So I will just choose this one. And also you can upload some photos from your gallery that you can use on your event. So once you've done, you can now tap on create event. So that's how you basically create an event on your Facebook. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.